Hello students, good afternoon. Students, last time we have completed half the lesson. Yes or no? Do you remember what we studied in last period? Last session we have studied function of computer, which are the input and which are the devices used to perform that function: keyboard, mouse, CPU, okay, monitor and printer. I have explained up to mouse. Okay, how what is a keyboard? Keyboard is what? A flat rectangular plastic device which has many keys on it, right? And with the help of keyboard we are able to enter our data, right? Now there are different types of keys on it that I have explained you in the last video. Okay, and what is a mouse? Again, it is a small plastic device and it is kept on the mouse pad. It is also known as pointing device. And I have shown you how to hold the mouse. Yes or no? Do you remember? Yes. How to hold the mouse with the help of palm. Now, again this mouse and keyboard is connected to what? CPU with the help of wire. Now today I am going to teach you central processing unit, that is CPU. Now what it is a vertical or horizontal box. Okay, it is a vertical or horizontal box that you see next to the monitor. Okay, it's known as a CPU box. Why this is called CPU box? Because the CPU is fixed inside this box. Whatever the processing work is done, okay, with the help of this box, means the CPU is fixed inside it, and that helps you in the processing. Okay, now this CPU box contains many other parts that are needed to run the computer. Okay, so inside there are many hardware things are there fixed. Okay, as you know, when you enter the data in computer, the CPU process it and gives you output. Okay, now this CPU is also known as the brain of the computer. Why? Because all the processing, all the work is done with the help of CPU. Okay, the monitor, the keyboard, mouse and printer, all these parts are connected to the CPU with the help of cables or wires. Okay, there are different sockets behind. With the help of that, all the wires are connected to CPU. Okay, so it's a main thing of the computer. Main in the sense it's a brain of the computer. Why? Because all the processing thing is done with the help of CPU. Now output devices. Now which are the output devices? Monitor and printer. Okay, now monitor and printer are used to get output. Whatever the output you get with the help of this two things. Okay, so it's called as an output devices. Okay, the monitor also display the output produced by CPU. Whatever the output is displayed, whatever monitor display the output produced by the CPU. If you want, you can use printer to print your output on the paper. Okay, now how can you print your output on your paper? Let's say I have done my typing work over typing work with the help of keyboard on monitor. Okay, I have typed about myself. Okay, now the thing what I have typed, I want it on paper. So how I will get? With the it will process with the help of CPU, right? Now the device, this monitor look like TV screen. Okay, so the other name for the monitor is also known as screen. Okay, a device look like TV screen is called a monitor. Okay, the other name for the monitor is screen. Okay, now this monitor has different switches on it. On switches over here, off switches there, and some other switches are there, like to increase its brightness and contrast, like TV. Okay, now when you enter your data into the computer, the monitor display whatever you are typing. Okay, now let's say I am typing myself. Okay, so whatever I am typing, it will displayed on your monitor. Okay, this helps you to check whether you have typed your data correctly. Okay, if any mistake is there, you can correct it. Okay, correct it very easily. Okay, as you know, the CPU processes the input and gives the output. Okay, which is then displayed on the monitor. Okay, now after typing, let's say I've done some multiplication or some addition work. Okay, when I press some particular button, I give command, I will get the answer of it. Now how I get the answer? There is no need to calculate manually. Just by pressing a certain command, I have got the output. Now how the output I got? Because of the CPU. Okay, all the work of calculation is done with the help of CPU. Okay, now this monitor is connected to the CPU with a cable. Okay, now all this keyboard, mouse, monitor, all these three parts are connected to CPU. Why? Because it is a processing unit. Now again the printer is connected to the CPU with the help of cable. Now what the printer does? Printer does the work of printing. Now whatever the I have typed, I want a hard copy. Hard copy in the sense, I want whatever I have typed, I want it on the paper. So that is called the hard copy. Now how it is possible? With the help of printer. Okay, to make the printer work, we required some papers to be put it in printer, and we have to give some commands on the monitor, and again this will process with the help of CPU, and you will get your paper printed. Okay, with the help of CPU, whatever the typing work is done, you will get it printed on the paper with the help of printer and CPU. So printer is called as an output device. So which are the output device? Monitor and printer. Okay, so the output can be printed on the paper with the help of printer. A printer prints word as well as pictures. Means whatever drawing also if you do, you will get hard copy of drawing on the paper. Okay, so have you understood this lesson, student? Okay, so what we have studied in this chapter? Function of computer. Now tell me which are the now how this function of computer works with the help of input devices, output processing unit and output devices. Now how we give input to computer? Can you give the answer? Yes, we give the input to the computer with the help of keyboard and mouse. Okay, now whatever the data we have typed with the help of keyboard, okay, is processed in CPU. Okay, so CPU is called the processing unit, central processing unit. Okay, all the processing work is done with the help of CPU, and CPU is also known as the brain of the computer. Now which are the output devices? Yes, monitor and printer. Why we called it as an output devices? Because we display our result on the monitor and on printer with the help of CPU. Okay, so CPU is the processing unit. Which are input devices? Yes, keyboard and mouse. Which is the processing unit? CPU. And which are the output devices? Monitor and printer. Okay, so we have completed the explanation. So I have completed the explanation of lesson number 2. Have you understood? Okay, so again I am telling you which are the input devices: keyboard and mouse. Processing devices, processing unit, CPU, and output devices, monitor and printer. Okay, so with this we have completed lesson number 2. We will soon meet in the next session. Till then, bye, take care.